Hello guys,
Yo,
we are going to Pahad
Chingmerong.
और हमने सेफ्टी के लिए बंदूक भी रख दी है। अगर कोई आएगा तो उसके ऐस पे गोली मारेंगे सीधा। अभी हम पनीर चेप के आए हैं ताज़ा ताज़ा।
फिर सोचा कि क्यों ना
लेग डे कर लें। ब्रो, should we try to speak in English only in the vlog?
I'm already speaking.
Okay. So you started before me, but I will end it. Oh, just look at the views, guy. This is what we want. This is what this guy want.
You are in Imphal
Yeah.
and we are going to
Oh my.
climb the Chingmerong mountain. Mountain like hill, no? It's hill.
Yeah, hill.
Small.
Not too big, not too small. Just pure beauty. This is me. Yeah, I already show the beauty. Now I'm showing my beauty. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at those pahad, bro. Legit. They're looking awesome. Man. What a man needs in his life, like a happy life full of nature, and like here in Manipur the climate is so good, right Utkarsh?
I'm fan of
Yeah,
just because of that.
me also. Like in summer, like there is no summer, don't feel like summer. Maximum temperature is maximum, like hot is 35 degrees, but in our side like average is 35 40.
Normal 35.
It's normal. Yeah,
And what are
here she girl
Yeah, seagull and he boy.
she girl.
So I think we should
Stop making the video.
yeah, and we should
So we spotted someone in this for the first time. Like we went here for the second time.
we should
but
wait
we
some
never-
time. We should wait
No,
for
no,
some
no,
time.
no.
Then we will let them just oh bro,
What if they
have
kiss?
we interrupted them? Like
I don't
maybe
know.
it can be
Yeah, maybe she will.
like we should end the video, I think.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, if it is started, it will not end. If we start something, we will not end it. Again, I am
So
showing.
much
So look at this, guys.
view, bro. View.
Click one picture within the video, bro. What the fuck is this?
Click, bro. Yeah.
Like, it's so good, but stand here, somewhat here. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. It's rational. Oh my god. Why he is walking like this? Tuchuk. I think I'm zooming at the right places. Yeah, now also right. But now nothing to show. It is so small.
My
Here this camera works because you know the effect of light, bro.
if you slip, you will go to.
Hell. Not hell, like if you slip
will
from
go
here.
to our institute, girls hostel.
Where?
There
Let
you
me
go.
shoot, guys. Where is the institute?
Bro, HB6.
Yeah. I will zoom to HB6, bro. This is the police headquarters. Oh, bro, like
And-
zooming power is also good. Like you guys can
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
this is HB7, this is HB, this is HB1, right? No.
There would be HB3 also. Like HB3 gate, it's visible from here.
Wait. Let me. This is the new mess. This is our HB6, right?
Yeah.
Then this is the new hostel, HB7.
Yeah.
So what is this? This is HB1.
HB
One and HB3 is not visible, bro, because of like this is the part is the HB3 part. This you see.
Yeah, HB1 is visible from the top of the mountain.
You
like the
know,
tower,
you know when
T2
we
tower.
no. Oh my God, what happened?
We should
Like
continue walking.
When this didn't make the Manipur headquarters, we can see it from here. Arjit doing hello,
Yeah,
hi.
yeah,
But
that's
now,
right.
yeah, it's first
No,
semester.
no. It's from tower.
No,
T2.
no, bro.
Tower T2,
No. I don't
Is it
think.
from
it
here?
is. Yeah.
We have video called.
Yeah, and he come out and we can
Engineers
see
guy,
it.
okay.
Yeah. Mama, I'm in love with. Do something, bro.
There are so much mosquitoes.
Show your talent, bro. Just sing a song. Sing a song for the people. Let's start, bro. I'll sing with you if I know that song.
Mama, I'm in love with a criminal.
Okay, I'll try. You start. Mama, I'm in love with a criminal. What next?
What next? Mama, I'm
This
in love
kind of a love is not rational, it's physical. Mama, I'm in.
Cry, I'll be alright.
Be alright.
I just can't deny I love the guy.
I love the guy. Puneet is.
So we have reached to the road.
Really?
Yeah.
So fast, bro.
Now this road will. Oh, bro, the stairs.
Take
Where
us
we
to-
wanted to go? Like we have to.
Climb the top.
No. We have to like reach a new destination.
Yeah,
Like
like
undiscovered.
that.
Undiscovered, unexplored.
Yeah, let's go. Should we like take a task to complete like this in running one step?
Okay.
Let's start.
One step.
Like let's count the stairs, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's army one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 45, 46, 47, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my!
Fine, bro. Keep in your head. Don't stick.
You are counting.
We will reveal at the top.
You are counting.
No.
I'm not.
Now our viewers will just comment the number of stairs.
Okay, let's leave it.
No, bro. Once we started, we have to. You have said that.
Oh,
Bro. Come on, bro.
bro, I have eaten.
Bro.
I have eaten too much.
You don't know me, son.
I know you, son. You are my son only.
You know me, son.
You are my son only. I know you.
Who's gonna carry the balls?
I am carry your balls. Photo with the dog.
Just do a bound.
Hey dog, look. Look, bro. Hey, bro. Bye bye. We are somewhat close. Bro. Where they gone? Utkarsh. Somewhat 100 stairs left. By running like about 1 kg paneer, so I can't run more. It's like the sun is also there, but recently it rains here, so the temperature is not much hot. We have spotted 2 guys, 1 girl and 1 boy in the jungle, but we are not able to find them. Maybe they are at the top or not. They are. No, they aren't. They are. Utkarsh, where are those 2 couples? Once more. Oh wow! I will click the picture once more. Oh, I think it's perfect. Bro, like look at the edges of these because
You can't guess the
yeah, people. I think they are good size.
This seems like, have you paused the video?
No,
Have you paused it?
no, it is now 12 minutes long. I'm not gonna pause it before we are going to reach our first.
We'll end it, huh?
Yeah, we started this so nice. Maybe we can stop in between. This is the
view, bro.
this is the Mathai flag, bro.
This is for what we have come here.
Yeah, man. Just look at the beauty of Manipur. Flipped. Oh, this is more beautiful.
We can now soothe our institute.
Yeah.
Can you recall the moment when I tried?
Yeah, you push-ups. I have the video also, I think.
And I fell.
I will try pull-ups.
Okay.
I think I am not able to reach it.
Okay, just try. But it has rained, so it might be slippery there. Just be careful. Once more. You can do it, bro.
Maybe.
Oh, bro.
Yours.
Yeah, you are
I have
close.
to, I think,
Let me
hold
try.
with the one.
Yeah. Just try with one hand because it would be easier. Oh, yeah. You have reached there, bro.
I have to hold it now.
Let me try.
I think he's going to do it in the first attempt. So athletic guy. Oh, just miss. Come on, man, come on. You know me, son. Oh, grip. Go. Come on, man. Come on. Why it is not happening? Masturbated a lot. Oh, it's okay. Last try.
Bro, it is like
Oh.
how soft and my skin.
Appreciate everyone. Appreciate. He has done it. He has done it. He is my son. He is my son.
You don't know me, son.
I know you, son. I know you very well. I am fan of this guy. I love him. I love him for the two reasons. One is this front and one is this back.
Yeah. So, should we head to the next one?
Let's take a break for 5-10 minutes and
Yeah. Let's talk.
yeah, let's talk. let's decide
Let's
what
breathe.
we eat. Yeah, bro.
Bro, can you like zoom into that polo?
Yeah, of course I will try to.
Polo horse. That is statue.
Yeah,
Right there.
people can see now.
Bro, it's just 12x zoom. But without like, if you're just taking pictures, it can go up to 30x.
Because the video consumes more. Video is capturing. Video is what, bro? Like the what is it called? Like the collection of pictures only.
Yeah. It's capturing.
Look at the technology, bro.
No.
Yeah. Look at the technology, man.
Technology.
Maybe after few years we are gonna start a bottle packaging company like this. Yeah,
It's not maybe, it's going to be.
it's going to be.
So where we have to
Today, like bro,
to the next.
what is the date today? What is the date today?
Date 17
17
October 2025.
2025. And after
After maybe
4 years.
like in 2027 we are going to be graduated
Yeah.
from here, and after that
It will
we are going to get into job, some kind of job for
Yeah.
1.5 year max,
Okay.
1.5 year or maximum 2 years.
Okay.
So in 2030,
2030, yeah, maximum.
yeah, 2030 is going to be our year.
Yeah. Private yacht.
Go viewers and
UTKs. No. Utvik.
yeah. Utwind. No
Utwind.
problem, bro.
No, UES.
What would be our company's name? UNG,
UNG.
UG.
UNG is already a company, I guess.
No, maybe
UG, undergraduate.
UG water packaging. UG waters.
Why we are thinking for the water packaging?
Yeah, bro.
It's so small. Like
Yeah. No, it's not small. Like
I'm thinking about the private yachts thing.
yeah.
Fucking in the private yachts.
With the synchronization.
Yeah.
Concrete. The concrete jungle. Yeah. See, it's visible, clearly visible. People are packed into this. If you will
You
step,
can see,
step outside,
like-
then you can like with
Bro, do you know like
what?
in every house there are minimum 2 people, and there are like these are the house we can't even count,
Yeah.
and this is just maximum 5 kilometer area.
yeah.
How big the world is? How
Yeah.
big the world is? And
Yeah, and
and
like how much there are opportunities for a business.
yeah,
entrepreneurship.
yeah.
Like basic needs. Water is basic need, bro. But
People are going to buy it.
when they step outside their house,
Yeah.
like 90% of the chance is that they are going to buy water. Like just meditating.
Calming is my. Maybe I should dream.
This is the kind of peace you get
Yeah.
when you get out of your comfort zone.
Mama, love with the criminal. This kind of love isn't rational.
There is some kind of smoke right there, like it's like geothermal. What we say? Like there are many places where like boiling water. It operates from the ground.
Boiling water you put it from the ground. Like when you boil water a lot
No,
It will
it's in the ground, from the ground.
from the
Like
ground,
there is
it
some
automatically
yeah,
evaporates.
yeah.
Then only the
Look at these clouds.
it is the
2020.
it is the nishani of the mard. There is nothing wrong with it.
I have huge respect for David Goggins. Bro, the man, the myth, the legend.
You know how big this, like we can't even see those mountains also. Bro, world is too large, bro. And if we don't have money, we can't explore the whole world. And at least we have to do it once, every part of the country.
We have to we will learn, bro, and we will
Earning
like
stability. Do you want stability in life?
no,
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 not
no.
needed, right?
no.
Like people used to say that when you get the government job, you will be financially stable. You will get something.
Stable water is like it's just क्या कहते हैं सड़ने को क्या कहते हैं पानी सड़ता है it's like it will not be pure enough like you should keep flowing
Yeah.
you shouldn't be stable
But some people say that like get a government job, be settled at a place, and for your children.
there is no money in government job you have to
And money and the life, bro.
Engage in the theft.
You have to be at the same place for the few years. Same place every day. You have to do the same thing. I don't want to do that, bro.
like there no you can't say like there are many jobs where you have to travel a lot to different countries different places
But not for the like.
freedom,
y-
like, I want
yeah, freedom. Yeah,
the freedom of time
freedom of time, freedom of money, freedom of everything. Like you can do whatever you want to do. If I want to go that, I will go there. No one can stop me. If I want to go there, I will go.
yeah
With the government job, I think there will be pressure from the upper body.
Mhm.
You have to do this. You have to do this.
I think now we should move to our
Next stop.
destination
Just 5 more minutes. It's already 22 minutes video. Mama, mama, bro, climb there, bro. Climb there. You should climb there
like
and make a video.
yeah masala
I will push you if
no like if like
Can't you climb from here?
yeah I can
Climb?
like I can but not now because
Can you
this
push
may-
me? Can you push me?
this may get worse
Can you push me?
yeah I will push you. I will try bro but what if you yeah it's risky yeah it's risky but
What is the need of this?
yeah just head to the next target
I want to drink water.
yeah
I need to take this.
sunshine give me some sunshine give me some rain give me another chance I wanna grow up once again la 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 la.
Oh, bro, yeah. Let me see. We can see from here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like we have video call once in engineers gang. It's not visible from here. Mountains. I love mountains. I want to spend my whole life on the mountains, near the mountain. I have to explore every mountain in the world. This is Govind in 2025.
And after 2-3 years, I will be more good, I think. Is it good now also?
Yeah, totally fine. Butterfly, just
Is it butterfly?
yo, bro. Like, yeah. It's somewhat visible.
Your butterfly.
No. Like I'm very black. Mine is.
I am only white from this bottom. Same black hair. Yeah, same bro. You are also not that. Can you
Let's head.
Can you back picture click me? Turn the back camera on.
Like these things we are going to put in our vlog, huh? Are we going to private vlog? Yeah, private yacht, private vlog, everything private.
Click more. Come forward. What is the need of taking picture, right?
Yeah, if we are alive, there is no need to click pictures. NIT 2429, Triple IT 2024.
24 to 28.
Ours would be like 23 to 27, you know?
So they are like
Triple
okay.
20
20
to
24. They are pass out go 20 to 24.
Yeah.
Should we name our right also? That's right. We'll come on the last day of the convocation and we'll.
Okay.
From how can I write?
Let's leave it for the convocation day.
No, we'll write it and we'll rub it on. What it?
Yeah. Take this marble. UNG Water Packaging Company, huh? Like you are going to write the whole name.
No.
It's going to take so much time,
Only
bro.
UTK and Gobi.
क्या है?
नाम लिख रहा है ना? हैं?
No, no.
पत्थर.
मत लिख.
पहले से ही लिखा है.
No.
पत्थर.
Sorry. We won't write. That's what I said. Like, let's leave it for the convocation day. So when we will start our company or any kind of business or entrepreneurship, we have to face so many rejections, and this is
The first
one of them. Like, not one of them. Like,
This is
we should like keep ignoring those rejections, and we should learn from it.
So you want me to
What you
write
learn?
again?
What you learned?
I learned nothing. I'm doing wrong and people are stopping me. So no need to do wrong things.
Yeah, that's the learning. So this is Chingmero. Come on, brother. Like we have to go from there now. Okay. So now we have, bro. Let's wait. The guy is peeing there on the entrance path. Like these stars, these peaks, we have already discovered it. We have gone to all of them. But now, yeah, that peak, we have gone there also. So now we wanted to just explore the uncharted region this side. So Govind, God of Evil.
Bro, someone said that if we'll go that side of the mountain, we'll reach NIT Manipur.
Yeah.
So let's go to NIT Manipur. I think from that side.
We should move like ahead or backward. Where is NIT Manipur? Just search.
Oh bro, I forget my phone.
Where?
Top stairs.
Just go. Many
How
things.
will it time?
You know, when
I
we
know
start
I'm
our
forgetting
business,
something, but
we will forget many things. But
What if someone?
It's okay to forget.
But no one goes now. There is no risk. No one gonna take it. Maybe some person will take it. What he's gonna do with it? Sell it? Maybe. We don't know.
Yeah. He will first try to
Unlock it.
crack the lock. And what he will do the next, like he would YouTube it how to crack the lock. Bro, from where my bro like my finger was disturbing the camera.
Oh yeah. This is what
We are going to
cruel world is.
Cruel World is.
Yeah. I'm kissing you and you are blowjobbing. We are not going to upload this on private channel. We'll upload it and
It's
make
going to be
our video.
uploaded, I know. Like you
Not
can't
on-
keep anything private, bro.
No.
Your everything is public. Yeah. Your everything is public.
Who told you this? I'm sorry.
The sound. Let's embrace this sound.
It's good. It's good.
Some kind of insects are making this sound. Like this sound you won't hear when you will be sitting on the couch.
Couch?
Not casting couch, it's just couch.
Couch means?
Couch, you don't know couch. Like you were once, just recall you were trying me to let's purchase this thing from the Flipkart. Like that big round thing.
Oh, the ball.
The ball. Like it's a
Sofa,
kind of,
like
it's kind of a couch. Like you can't say like
Bro, that is good for health. Like,
health
yeah. We can do stretching from that. The back
on the
muscles.
couch.
we can relax. I have. There is a
Bro,
movie
how
of
much-
Salman
yeah.
Khan in 2015 released, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Hmm.
In the poster of that movie, they used the chair which used to do lot of sex positions on that chair. They put that picture, the girl sleeping on that chair, as a poster of the movie. At that time, I think the director don't know that what is the use of this chair. Otherwise, why he will post the poster of this picture?
The
with the chair?
director and couch. You were saying
Like it is. I heard
director
it
knows
about-
everything, bro.
Do you know everything? My phone. What if someone stole it?
There is some.
Bro, can you go and make to
No.
my phone, please?
Like, what will I get?
Bro, where they went? The girl and the boy. I see there. The
Even the guy was peeing at the entrance.
yeah. And we already one time we go from the road. Only the first time when we visit, we only go from the road. After that, we didn't use the road, right? That road to
Yeah,
climb
yeah.
from the front.
Yeah, petrol pump.
Yeah,
Which
only we
ends up
climbed
on
from
the
the first
petrol
time
pump,
only, one time.
Yeah.
After that, we didn't use. Bro, cycle. If we have cycle, we can go to lots of places.
Bro, let's manage 2 cycles and let's head to NSU,
No,
National Sports
No.
University. Like not now, in the evening.
bro.
Where would be NSU?
Let's take the cycle from now and let's go to very long like
Trip.
20 kilometers. We'll be back by 8 a.m.
Manipur to Myanmar.
No,
Just cross border trip, huh?
no.
We would also vlog.
We'll go maximum like we'll go 2 hours and we'll come back 2 hours. So we'll decide for the 4 hours. Like till 2 hours we'll continue ride the bicycle.
Every weekend we will extend those
yeah.
journey.
Yeah.
P squared.
Two cycles are there, but one is very bad. The Bola one is like the girl cycle. Otherwise, we can take.
Like
Kaipoj
it's,
cycle
it's
is good.
totally suitable for you. I will take Kaipoj. bro. There is Kaipoj cycle and there is money cycle, but
No,
they both don't live here simultaneously. Huh?
only Kaipoj cycle is there. No money cycle. Money.
It's Kaipoj cycle. Money use it.
Hmm. Maybe we should buy from not. Like
We should
didn't-
rent.
we-
We
Yeah.
should explore like somewhere someone would be renting it.
Yeah, of course. And like why
People
we
of
didn't make
Imphal,
friends? Yeah, why we
just
didn't
comment
make
down.
friends?
Where can we get rent cycle on rent?
Rental cycles.
Yeah.
I'm bringing my phone, guys.
That sound, brother, it's going to end. God of Evil. There is so much peace on the mountains. Just look at the view. There is also some tower. There would be like similar to this structure. There would be also something like this. The clouds. Pew 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 pew. God of Evil. He's going to make God of Goodwill.
I was trying to like. Hands up. Mama, I'm in love with.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we are going to explore.
बदमाशी नहीं मित्र है असलाम भी रखते हैं लेट मी सो माय असला no don't show my chance should I
Rampa
What is the use of
Pare. Like
just keep it here what if there is house in between
yeah, we will ask for water in this bottle. Just we are going to
what
just go
Should we
ahead.
go?
Yeah. Oh, bro.
maybe this is the we are going downwards
Yeah. But after
Again.
downwards, we will again. There would be some elevation.
oh bro there is someone written on the board
Board. So much mosquitoes, bro.
yeah respect wildlife you are in their home
Respect of wildlife. You are in their home. So mosquitoes here.
but they are oh my gosh bro
What happened?
they are a lot
Mosquitoes.
yeah
So you should respect them. But just keep
What?
walking and keep respecting
bro
them.
what if they like eat us
Eat us.
yeah dengue is something
You eat egg and you are saying mosquitoes will eat you. The view. That's what I love.
Yes, bro. Lot of mosquitoes.
The silence. The time to be you, just you. Love nature, yaar.
You don't love me? You only love nature?
Why you are like again and again stop? Why you are stopping? Just keep moving. We are promisable anywhere. We have started. We have to end.
Mosquitoes are eating me, bro.
Mosquitoes are eating him.
It is time for me to eat the girls, but mosquitoes are eating me. Look at the mosquitoes, man. Mama, run!
Dominoes effect. What if I just get slipped? I'll fall on Govind. Keep noise level. Hey, mosquitoes. So yeah, we are now getting elevation. Oh bro. He's very funny guy. He's funniest guy in our college.
Thank you.
Like I haven't met so much. Like he's adorable. Oh bro.
Should we move back?
Are those mosquitoes visible?
No.
Yeah. Somewhat.
We'll go back.
Bro, just run. Bro, what?
Bro, leave it.
No, I'm not going to leave it. We have started, we have to end.
Oh my god.
Look at the what we have got out of mosquitoes. Whoa, bro. Look at the view, bro. Like there is no sunlight there.
Bro.
Oh, Bodro.
I love you, Manipur.
I love Imphal.
I love you, girls.
Rampa pare re ra re.
Wow, man.
कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे. Take it back. What will I do?
No,
Your
you
flowers.
will do this. Wait. You will do this.
Rampa pare. Ra ra re. चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे. बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए. चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे. Bro, we're going to witness one of the rarest thing.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Like, look at those, like
Division.
yeah, division between the light and the.
dark. Light and the dark.
You only praise light when it's dark, and you love when you let her go, and you let her go.
देखो कैसी बातें यहाँ की.
Na 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 na.
हाँ.
कितनी na 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 na.
मांग लूँ ना.
अब ऐसा ना करो कि दिल जुड़ ना पाए वापस.
थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा देना. Bro, you look at the boat, bro, at the center of the big pond.
Center.
Center of the big. There is only one boat, the big boat.
Big boat. I'm not able to see it. Where you are like.
Like not this pond, next pond.
Next there.
Yeah, you can see at the center there is a spot, like a rock. Yeah, that is only that. This is the boat.
Is that boat?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is moving.
Yeah, it's moving. There would be some people also. So,
Bro, we
yeah.
should go to that.
Yeah.
How?
Just keep walking. Don't stop.
Maybe we can also go down, right? Down that side.
Yeah. Maybe we could end up in NIT Manipur.
Woo! Crazy,
NIT
man.
Manipur, guys.
Oh, bro, maybe I think, bro, this.
Yeah.
Manipur.
This, and this, and that Manipur. NIT Manipur.
So easy.
Yeah.
Now it's amazing, man. The weather feels amazing.
Like, video is already gone up to 46 minutes. It's
View
going
is
to be an
very
hour.
nice. मैंने तुझको देखा
The silver lining. The clouds. The silver lining.
I think we have decided, like, we have what we can say, like, we are doing right thing, bro, by capturing this.
No,
Because
like, yeah, and
after
even.
few years, if we are not able to make our dreams true, bro, everything is looking good.
Yeah. Maybe the camera, I should clean it.
Should I climb
once.
that tree?
You can try. Bro, I can feel mosquitoes are biting me.
Me too.
Even we are like in the motion. Mosquitoes are also in motion. They have studied
Because
the
they
laws
just
of
got
motion.
like, they can't find this.
Can you just tell me the 3 laws of motion?
Yes.
First one.
Action is always equal to reaction.
Bro, it's third law, bro. Like any object in motion will remain in
Always
motion.
remain in motion until and unless
If
an
it's in-
external force is applied to it.
If it's in rest, it will be in rest until and unless
Like in
external
NCERT, the
forces.
example is given that the
applied on
leaf of trees will be in rest. Otherwise,
Woo! Woo!
we can show them the practical, bro, for the students. Like, look at this.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Second law was force equal to mass into acceleration, right?
Woo!
What was the second law?
Second law, that like F is equal to ma.
No, what is the English of?
If you are applying external force, there would be some acceleration.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, like acceleration could be like positive or and even
What if
negative.
I'm
It can be
hitting
negative
this
as well.
tree? Nothing happens.
Bro, there is equal and opposite force which is getting applied to your hands as well.
What?
It's just the third law of motion. So class 9 brothers.
Follow us.
Yeah. The first chapter. Boundaries. Like who would have done these boundaries here?
Go, man. Go, man. Go, man.
Are we heading to the right path?
I don't know.
Even I don't know.
When we walk to the path becomes rice.
And yes, even in life, we should explore the unexplored regions. Because that's what, like the memories which you will create. When you try to remind of those back days, then you will like, firstly you will remind those days, like the bumps, like there is a smooth living you are living, and there is bump like this journey, our journey. It's like just like a small bump. Even people say when we would be breathing our last breath, So there is some kind of flash memory for some seconds. So
We remember.
we
only
would
good-
just remind those. We would get reminded of just the bumps, not the lining, smooth lining. So just create bumps.
ups and downs, right?
Yeah.
But in my life, only downs I'm seeing.
So we are leaving that path. We are choosing this one.
Why? Suddenly,
The path is choosing us, bro.
Suddenly it becomes more dense, right?
Bro, yeah, bro. Like there is so much dark here. Like the light here. Everything is dark. And even here is path.
Here are
To- Yeah, but here is boundary.
Here is no boundary.
No boundary. It will just take us to the same old tower.
No, it will take us
Top.
to the down of the city.
Okay, maybe. I might be wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. Just keep exploring.
So we are again like climbing.
Yeah.
After going down,
We
we are
have
going again up.
got elevation.
So Utkarsh is right.
Singh is king and Singh is always right. What about Chaudhary, huh?
Chaudhary has its own Chaudhrat, so no need to say anything about Chaudhry's.
Wait, Chaudhary वाला गाना गाते हैं ना? Like which song? Chaudhary? अरे रुक
जाट की
नहीं।
चौधर
No, no, no.
पूरी जाट।
रुक चुप ना जाओ जी.
ओ लोग चुप ना जाओ बहन का छोटा
मैंने दीद कराओ जी.
रा क्यों तड़पावे हो
और मैंने शक्ल दिखाओ जी. तारी शरारत सब जानू मैं चौधरी.
ते पंगा में ले वण मंगा जा मैं चौधरी मर हिबड़ा में नाचे मोरनी मर मोरनी ए बंगाली जा बेबी
हाय झूम झूम हाय झूम झूम.
चौधर पूरी जाट
Who's gonna watch this video till end?
we both
Like, what are you expecting? Someone will.
my wife
All
I will
this-
show it to my wife
Yeah.
so my future wife are you ready for this bro yeah bro she will watch your wife will also watch my wife will also so his wife
Maybe she's watching right now.
how can
Like,
you
yeah, she's sitting and watching.
oh so you are becoming my wife
Oh, bro,
How can
fuck
she?
it, bro. Like,
how can she watches now
no, bro. Like, if the viewer is viewing right now,
it is not like
just go into future, bro.
future fuck your
Yeah.
future
Bro, some bag. There is some bag. Maybe some people are there. Let's meet them. Strangers.
but no need to fear we have got this
Yeah, we have असला.
asla
असला हम भी रखते हैं.
pradhan
The Pradhan was quick.
think it is-
what's inside the bag?
dustbin I can't see it
Even I don't see. We will see in the video.
yeah dustbin bro
Okay, dustbin. Like how much
people.
civic sense is there
Yeah.
in the Manipuri people?
So this is me and my friend UTK, UTK. We are climbing a mountain, a mountain, a mountain.
And this is the bottle of Likla.
Water. And we have got an asla, asla.
Bum bum bum.
Hey.
Mama mama.
Mama,
I'm in love with the criminal.
This kind of a man, I'm in love with love.
Butterfly, butterfly.
Butterfly,
Give me down, give me down. Again. Dustbin. we are capturing the youth of these trees. The mosquitoes.
We should start talking to people. Like if we find some people here, boys, we
Even
should
girls.
start talking.
Like we have come up here with chammach, spoon, because we directly headed here after the mess.
And this guy didn't eat much food, but I eat paneer. My stomach is so full.
But I'm powerful.
But still I'm walking.
So you are in advantage, bro.
Advantage?
Yeah, I'm at
Fucking idiot.
disadvantage.
My stomach. You know when you eat.
Yeah, it's like
More.
your pregnancy is
Yeah.
clearly visible.
Yeah. I am 2 months pregnant, guys. My wife is watching this.
I'm like I've fucked him.
You feel it?
Feel it. Hey,
I'll fuck you here, okay? No one is coming to save you.
even you as well.
No one is coming to save
So
you.
let's
have a
now
match.
our viewers will witness who is going to fuck whom.
Okay. This is not fucking.
So guys, we are
What do you want to show, man? What do you want to show? Nothing happened, idiot. Oh, lag jayegi.
let's go ahead, bro.
Love you. You know, I can easily beat him, but so I can't beat him. I love him. I can kiss her, kiss him. You know, this boy leave his beautiful room for me, sleeping with me, like in beside of me. He sleep like with his hips upside, tempting me to fuck him. But me, who has the big control.
But like when you visit my room 404, so you will hear the morning sound of Govind.
Yeah, my morning sound fucking you.
Oh, bro.
Come
Oh,
on.
bro.
Bro, our wife gonna watch this and what she will think. I love you, my future wife. I also love your future wife.
But your future wife will love me.
Fuck it, bro. Now we can't show this to our wives
Why?
because I already fucked your wife and he was.
Like, she's watching, bro. She's watching it.
She's watching.
Yeah.
We'll cut
And
this
you
part.
are, we are laughing. Let's gift phone to Govind's wife. Phone. No, bro, it was built.
Sit. Bro, just
Like we are.
show the drop, bro. Show the drop.
Drop.
Drop of the water.
Okay, drop.
From the very far. Zoom it now. Zoom it.
Take the bottle.
Zoom it from the drop, like.
Where is the drop?
Yeah, drop.
Like it can't capture. Yeah.
Go back now, little bit. Yeah.
Like you are not.
Yeah, are you moving phone back, idiot?
No, bro, it's unable to capture. Yeah, like the drop become invisible
No.
when I trying to zoom it. Like I can't show the world
from
inside
the
the
drop, right?
from inside the drop. I think climbing the
Right path.
like we are going to end up on the clouds. I think it's like seeming that way.
Maybe, bro, it is our last video. A cheetah is going to come and eat us.
There is no cheetah here, but maybe some cookie people can come here
yeah.
with their asla and our asla.
Or else we Our Tesla is so big. We have 3 Teslas, right?
Yeah. And 4 gola aaj.
golas.
Barood. Gola baruda. Gola.
Bro, one day you told me that you are gonna give your ass to save me. So good, so good.
I will just talk with that terrorist and we both, the terrorist and me, we both will take your ass. There is division. Just come from here.
The division gonna meet there.
Yeah, let's meet. What?
I go from there. You go.
I go from here.
We are choosing the different paths, guys.
We are choosing different paths.
Bye
Bye.
bye. See you.
So, oh bro, just comment like start commentatory just like the Nat Geo Discovery Channel.
And here
We got
meet again.
Yeah, reunion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go Bears.
Go Bears.
It won. Win. What was your name? Yeah, why I am forgetting your name?
And it's like it's great if you forget like the wives of the person don't call by their husband's name.